If you want to visit holy Ayodhya along with Gaya, Kashi and Prayagraj, then Irctc has launched a great tour package. For complete information, watch the video till the last, and if you like the video then don't forget to subscribe the channel Kuch to Mila and press the bell icon. Highlights of the tour package. Package name: Holy Ayodhya with Gaya, Kashi and Prayagraj. Duration: 5 nights and 6 days. Tour date: 30th October 2022 and 19th November 2022. Traveling mode: flight, airport and departure time: Bengaluru at 5:20 hours. Destinations and visits places: Bodhgaya. Visit Mahabodhi Temple, Gaya. Visit Vishnupad Temple, Varanasi. Visit Kashi Vishwanath Temple, Annapurna Temple, and evening attend Ganga Aarti, Sarnath. Visit Buddha Temple, Ayodhya. Visit the major attractions of Ayodhya: Ram Janmabhumi, Lakshman Ghat, Kala Ram Temple and Kanak Bhavan Temple, Prayagraj, Triveni Sangam, Allahabad Fort and Patalpuri Temple. Package includes air tickets in economy class, Bengaluru to Varanasi and Varanasi to Bengaluru, 5 nights hotel accommodation with breakfast and dinner, AC rooms, Bodhgaya, 1 night, Varanasi, 2 nights, Ayodhya, 1 night, and Prayagraj, 1 night. Transfers and sightseeing as per the tour itinerary on SIC basis by AC coach, driver allowance, toll, parking and all applicable taxes for the above services. Travel insurance. Package excludes on-board meals, lunch on all days, breakfast on day 1 and dinner on day 6. All entrance fees, tickets, still video camera fees, boating charges, any increase in airfare, any increase in airport taxes, fuel surcharge, any expenses of personal nature such as tips, telephone charges, porterage, laundry expenses, wine, mineral water, food and drinks other than mentioned in the regular menu, any deviation from the tour itinerary. Services of tour guide, all kinds of tips to drivers, guides, representative. Package cost per person, single occupancy, 44,050 rupees, double occupancy, 36,750 rupees, triple occupancy, 35,410 rupees. Follow the terms and conditions of this tour package, and this contact number is given to help you guys. So friends, this was the information about this tour package. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video.